Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you a really cool car, Laguna S3, a Malibu Laguna S3. Has the 454 in it, factory car, got the documentation. This was a Canadian car. It's been repainted, paints, and you can see it's got a good shine there. You can see my pants and stuff there. So rally wheels, got all the correct badging. Got a vinyl roof on it, which is factory according to the options, all the striping. Swivel bucket seats. You can see the picture, they swivel sideways. There in here, the P buzzer works. It's had the dash has had a cover lay over the top, just so you know. Dome light down below works. The one up here, the bulb must be bad because it's not on. Interior needs nothing. Very nicely done. I suppose most of it's original. This door gotta slam a little bit to get it to shut. But said, just noticed that light little scratch right on there. That'll buff out. So, but for most part, not many flaws on this car. Here you can see the reflection on it and everything. So, you can see the reflection of the car sitting next to it. So I mean, paint's good. They did a good job. I wouldn't call it 100% show quality, as you see a little orange peel and a few nibs here and there, but they did do a nice job. So nice car, very rare car. As you see in the documentation, there was only 100 and some of them. I think only 90 this color, so probably not a lot of them left. So if you had one of these and you want another one, or you just want one, because these are an up and coming investment. The other Chevelles have starting to get really expensive, so these are next, especially something this rare. So give me a call, 605-695-7391.